was amazing!
We won the championship! Practice was great today. Want to keep playing at my house?
Yeah, definitely. I need to work on my kicks. Wait, so then what happened? And then he completely fell over right into the leaves.
Hey, Jake, what's wrong?
This is the best day ever.
Yeah, I love riding bikes with you.
The wait was totally worth it. This ice cream is amazing. I know, right? Best day ever.
Hey, it's not goodbye forever.
I know. It just feels like it.
School's finally out. I know, let's go to my house. Wait for me.
I'm scared about what's gonna happen. Hey, it's okay. We're in this together, remember?
Wait, did you really do that?
I swear, it was hilarious.
You always do the craziest stuff. No way, that's awesome! You have to show me how you did that later.
Seriously, it was so easy. I'll teach you this weekend.